So the next thing I want us to see now, okay, we have futures trading. Now basically the trade I showed you is on spot. All these things you see here is spot trading. So if you want futures, this is where you go to. You can see I just touched that down there. That's where you go to for futures. Now we have what's called the wallet. The wallet is actually where you see all your cryptocurrency, how much you have, the amounts, their value, and all that. So we actually have overview, we have sports, we have mad, we have futures, and then we have peer-to-peer. Okay, there are still more. We have N, we have pool. So I'm actually checking them. Now, for your main wallet is actually your spot wallet. If you want to receive money and you give somebody your wallet address, that's actually your spot wallet. So that's actually your spot wallet. So I'm going to show you how to receive money in your spot wallet. Well, first and foremost, I want to talk a little bit about how to receive money in your spot wallet. Let's go over there. So you first click on spot wallet. Yes, how to receive money in your spot wallet. You have to know the currency you want to receive. Now you can see here we have A to Z. Now this A to Z is where you can be able to choose the cryptocurrency based on their lettering. So I click on it, it shows me A, B, C, D down by the side here. Yes, you can see them, they are here by the side. So if it's XRP, I'll go to X, I'll click on X. Now XRP comes up. So that because Binance has over 100 cryptocurrencies, so you don't have to start scrolling down. And so that's exactly the reason. So if it's XRP, I'll click on XRP. Now you see here I'll be able to see the pairs of XRP. Well, I don't want to trade anything, I actually want to receive money into XRP. So I've clicked on XRP, then here you can see deposit, here you can see withdrawal. If I want to withdraw, I'll use the withdrawal. Maybe I want to move the XRP I have to another wallet. I want to use the what I have to another wallet. So now for deposits, this is what I will simply do for deposit. I will click on deposit here, and the moment I click on deposit, I would actually be able to see their various network. This is very crucial. Now I'll actually be able to see the various network. So for the networks, you would click on, for the network you will actually click on, if it's XRP network you want to use. If it's BEP2, you touch it, and then they'll tell you there'll be a memo. So if it's BPSC, click on it. Please, I want you to notice this, that the wallet address for each network is not the same. Okay, so this is BPSC. You can see it ends in FA1E. Let us see BEP2. This is BEP. Let's see if it actually ends in the same thing. Now you see it does not end in the same thing. It doesn't end in the same thing. Now you can see it. It doesn't end on the same thing. Now when sending cryptocurrency, always check out for the last 6 digits and the first 6 digits, so that in case you have a malware in your system that can actually change wallet address, so now you'll be able to detect that, so you don't send money to the wrong person. So this XRP, now so you can see XRP, the wallet address is actually different for that particular network. So if you want to receive money, you would click on copy, click copy this address, or you show the person this your QR scan code, and then for faster transfers you actually copy the tag or the memo. It's actually good you do that, like you can actually see here, the tag and the memo. So it's good you actually copy that. So if I copy this, I'm copying the address, and I'm going to click on copy. Now if I copy this address, I can give it to send it to the person and say, okay, this is my address, maybe via WhatsApp or whatever social media. I copy it and send it to the person, and then the person just paste. I'm going to show you how you can actually be able to send cryptocurrency to somebody else. So now this is what you do. You simply click on withdrawal. Simply click on withdrawal here. Withdrawal is down here. Click on it down there. So you click on withdrawal. Now you see the address I copied. Now you see here, when you come over here, you can use this QR scan code scanner. QR scanner, you can use this here. sorry, you can use it here. If you click on it, it will actually scan. If the person is with you one-on-one, you can click on it and then so you can be able to scan. Or if you already have an address, there's an address book here that you can use. So if you already have a book of maybe cryptocurrency that you've saved and all that, you can make use of that. Okay, let's say it says I have no address for XRP, so I didn't save any address there. So now the network you're sending money to, you must ensure that that's the wallet address the person gave you. If the network, you can't use BEP to send to somebody using an XRP network. No, you can't. If it's BEP2 you want to use, then both of you must be using BEP2. If it is BEP-SC, both of you must be using BEP-SC. Is that clear? Okay, so the address I copied, if I paste a wrong address network, they will likely tell me invalid address. Let us see. So the address I copied is XRP address, so it didn't tell me invalid address. Now watch. See what it tells me. It says the address does not match the currently selected for my network. That was because I chose BEP-SC. So you can see it does not work. It still tells me the same thing, but the moment I click on XRP, it goes. So whenever you get a valid message like this, contact the person, ask the person, please, what network. Most persons will usually use the very popular networks. So if it is BTC, you stick with BTC. If it's XRP, stick with XRP. So you need to know the blockchain on which that cryptocurrency is actually built. So now you can add. Remember, I told you there are two things you can copy: the tag. Now this is where you can put the tag of the person. The person sends you a tag. Now this is where you can actually put it. So if you put the tag in here, it will go through. So now if you want to put in amount, if you click on this max, the maximum amount of XRP I actually have will appear here, but I don't think I have any XRP. So you see 0 actually appears. So if you click on the max amount you have appear, you can also type the amount to your hand and write, okay, I want to sell 1 XRP or 3 XRP, and then that's it. Now they will also show you now for every single time you want to send, you can see that I'm sending 3 XRP, but the person will be receiving 2.75. You can actually see it here. The person will receive 2.75. So now based on this, there are actually fees that goes with it. Well, if you look at okay, maybe because I didn't put any money, but if you notice the price is reducing. See, BEP2 is 2.5354, while this one is 2.63, and the XRP is 2.75. So you see, it's cheaper to use XRP network to send. So that's the way it works. So that's how you can send and receive BTC. Okay, so if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please do click on the subscription button so you can always be able to get more updates like this.